ये लोग ऐसा मुंबई में मिलते नहीं है।
Not at all worth the hype. Shop is very famous.
Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. If you're seeing this place for the very first time, her name is rutuja.
We finally reached Delhi and we have 8 hours to kill. So now we are going to Janpath for shopping obviously. So yeah, हमारा कसौल के लिए बस is at 4:30, so तब तक we have time. So obviously I'm going to shop. And now we are just finding a way to get out of the station. We got a Ola auto and he's taking us towards the auto. नहीं आया ना? गरम तो है. Let's see.
minutes later.
Guys, we have reached Janpath but अभी तक वो चालू नहीं हो रहा है. So अब 11 बजे के बाद चालू होगा. And we are meeting my sister over here because वो दिल्ली में ही है. And yeah, now we are going to have coffee depauls where I think it is very famous. So let's go.
कहा दिखी तेरे को? अच्छा, ये लोग ऐसा मुंबई में मिलते नहीं है।
दिल्ली में होम टाउन।
काफी।
मैं वैनिला पी रही हूँ। हेज़लनट ट्राई कर। अभी तक कुछ चालू नहीं हुआ है। ए उसने फर्स्ट स्टेप नहीं लिया। ऑनेस्ट ना कुछ खास नहीं है, बहुत हाइट है। स्टारबक्स जाते हैं। Guys, default the coffee is not at all worth the hype. We paid 80 rupees each for vanilla and mocha coffee and we did not like it at all. So now we are going to jain chole wale or something like that to have chole because we are hungry and breakfast kuch kiya nahi hai. So they don't have a sitting arrangement, so keep that in mind if you're coming over here. Yeah, this is nice. Yeah. Genuinely nice, right? जैसा दिख रहा है वैसा ही.
A few moments later.
We are back to basics. Thank you. The vibe of this house is so nice. Like ambience and all sure.
346 minutes later.
It's 12:40 and finally Janpath खुल गया है. डिजाइन्स मस्त है. इसमें और है क्या डिजाइन्स? यही है
सारे.
अच्छा,
अलग अलग डिजाइन के लगे.
ये ले दो वाला है ना. दिस इज द 300. एकदम हल्का है. अरे ये सब ऐसा इंस्टाग्राम स्टोर पर दिखता है. This is for 50. This is also 50. And those bangles are for 100. Wow. Take this. I wanted something in yellow.
Orange wala.
This yellow is nicer. So right in front of Chandi, there is this guy who sells amazing cheap jewelry. You should definitely come over here. And I got a lot of items. I'll show you the haul later. Anyway, my sister got a lot of items.
A few minutes later.
So this is the famous Gujarati lane, and finally we are here. This shop is very famous. ये बहुत प्यारा लग रहा है. मुंबई बड़ा सुंदर है. दिल्ली आते रहते हम लोग, बट गुजराती लेन हम लोग फर्स्ट टाइम आ रहे हैं.
3 hours later.
So guys, that's it for day 1 in Delhi. I'll be back in Delhi after 5 days, and then I'll be exploring Sarojini Market. So make sure you're subscribing to my channel, hitting the bell icon so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video on YouTube, and make sure you're staying tuned for all the Xoxo and Delhi videos. And yeah, I'll see you in my next vlog.